Hey everybody, wanted to do a quick video on the garden again. There's a reason that I planted everything in these rows like this with mounds. As you can kind of see how tall the mounds are. And that's because this particular location has a high water table. And we also get a lot of rain all at once. And you can see that the water builds up and will stand and drain slow. So what I've done is put everything up high so that the plants don't get drowned out. And here's a perfect example of what happens regularly. So by putting everything up in a higher location, the plant's not subjected to so much water all at once and all the time. Now, if you're in your region, if you are shy of water, you would actually want to plant, rather than planting on top of these rows, you would want to plant down in the bottom. That way, any rain would be funneled right to your plant, right to the base of the plant. But in my particular case, like I said, I was trying to keep the water away from the plants and to keep the seeds from washing out. So I'm glad it rained like this, so I could have an opportunity to show why I planted like that. All right, well, that's about it for this video. Except for I'll just add that I'm working on getting this a little bit wider. Going to till this, I think, right over to the corner here, and then I may have this set up as a chicken coop later, and just in that corner. But anyway, all right, everybody have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.